Hey, welcome to Daily Needs. Side parts are out, and middle parts are in. The 2020s are all about curtain bangs and middle parts, so why not give this trendy hairstyle a try? We've got all you need to know, from how to style a middle part to styling tips and tricks for women's and men's hair. Keep reading to learn all about the latest hairstyle craze. Daily Needs presents how to style middle part hair. Method 1. Styling a middle part for women. Number 1. Brush dry hair back to prepare for styling. The first step when parting your hair in any style is to slick it all back away from your face. This will remove any tangles and give you a fresh canvas to work with. You can also do this step while your hair's wet to help train it. This will give your hair the extra motivation to grow in the direction of your new part. Number 2. Part your hair down the middle with a comb. A nose is typically in the middle of the face, making them the perfect guide for a middle part. All you have to do is follow the bridge of your nose up towards your hairline, running a line with the comb through your hair. This will create 2 even sections of hair on either side of your face. Any comb works, but a rat tail comb with a pointy end is another great option. Make your part with the pointy end of the comb for a precise line. Number 3. Smooth down any stray hairs. Some hair strands may flip back over even after you've made your part, and that's okay. Hair follicles naturally grow in multiple directions, but you can train them to fall to one side or the other by continuing to style your hair in a specific way. You can also use your fingers to move and pat down any stubborn hairs. The goal is to have a clean and straight, defined line down the middle of your head. Number 4. Blow dry your part to train your hair. If it's your first time making a middle part, it may look a bit wonky, especially if you've been rocking a side part for most of your life. But thankfully, bumps and waves can be easily fixed with a little heat. Hold the hair on one side of your head taut against your scalp while blow drying from the top of your scalp to your ear. Repeat this on the other side until everything's nice and smooth. Spritzing your hair with heat protectant spray will help mask frizz and keep those hair strands happy. Try using a flat iron or hairspray on stubborn hairs. Flat irons can help you flatten any bumps near your part, and hairspray can flatten baby hairs and keep everything in place. Method 2. Best middle part looks for women. Number 1. Tuck your hair. Tuck your hair behind your ears if you have a square face. This is a simple and easy trick to style your middle part and accentuate those gorgeous cheekbones. Leave your hair au naturel or add in a few bouncy curls with a curling wand. Number 2. Rock a middle part and bangs for an edgy look. This is a classic and versatile style that looks great on a variety of face shapes. The bangs draw attention to your eyes, and the middle part gives a sleek, clean look. Number 3. Style for modern look. Style a blunt bob for a slimming and modern look. Middle parts look fabulous on all hair lengths but draw even more attention when styled with short hair. This look will draw attention to sculpted features and show off that killer jawline. Number 4. Pair your middle part. Pair your middle part with long layers for extra volume. This style will make you feel like a trendy princess. Layers are a great way to frame your face and draw attention to your gorgeous locks, and a middle part just so happens to be the perfect part to create movement. They're simply a match made in heaven. Number 5. Try curtain for a new look. Try curtain bangs for the hottest take on this new look. These side-swept beauties add a softness to the face and are most complementary to a middle part. And the fun part is you can quickly turn this look into a deep side fringe with one swoop of the hand. Number 6. Add some waves or curls. Add some waves or curls for a chic, delicate look. Whether you have long or short hair, the middle part favors curled hair beautifully. A few twists around a curling iron can help frame your face and add body to your hair. Method 3. Styling a middle part for men. Number 1. Wet your hair. Add gel or texturizing spray to wet hair. When you're styling a middle part, it's best to start right when you get out of the shower. Styling your hair while it's wet will help the part stay in place and train your hair to grow in the direction of your new part. Rubbing product in your hair before it's dry will help you mold your hair, add texture, and protect from humidity. Hair that's about nose length is the perfect length for this hairstyle. If your hair isn't quite long enough, that's okay. Wait a few more weeks and try again. Number 2. Use a brush and blow dryer your hair. Use a brush and blow dryer to push your hair away from your face. Follow the motion as if you were doing a slick back hairstyle. This will add volume to create that perfect floppy look. Keep blow drying until your hair is about 50% dry. Number 3. Part your hair down the middle. Part your hair down the middle following the bridge of your nose. With a wide tooth comb, follow the imaginary line from the tip of your nose up to your scalp. Drag the comb along your head and use this as a guide to divide the hair into 2 halves with your fingers. Number 4. Blow dry your hair. Blow dry your hair in the direction you want it to fall. Once you have your part made, all that's left to do is style. Take your brush and swoop your hair to the side while blow drying it. Scooping the hair upwards in the front will give you more volume. Using downward motions will flatten the hair for a sleeker look. Method 4. Best middle part looks for men. Number 1. Turn your hair into a fringe. Turn your hair into a fringe with an undercut. This cool and laid-back look draws attention to your neck and jawline. Plus, you can have lots of fun dyeing the underside different colors. Number 2. Style the middle part. Style the middle part with long, straight hair. This gives total Fabio vibes and will have people thinking you stepped straight out of a romance novel. Simply straighten your hair after parting it down the middle and rock the smolder. Number 3. Go with a man bob for a hipster look. This trendy, edgy style is perfect to pair with aviator sunglasses and an old band tee. If you have jaw-length hair, consider adding this style to your routine to make everyone swoon. Number 4. Curl the ends of your hair. Curl the ends of your hair for a romantic style. Those short pieces of hair deserve some shaping too. After creating your middle part, wrap the ends of your fringe around a curling wand. This little curl will draw attention to your eyes and your handsome locks. Number 5. Straighten your hair. Straighten your hair if you have an oval face. A flatter middle part will bring out the symmetry of your face shape, accentuating all your amazing features. This looks best if you have shorter hair, roughly at eye length, and all you need is a straightener. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and also press the bell icon.